Varsha Vidya's YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good today.
That you play. Come on, you want it. Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐봐, you and me, 너와 나. Come on, you.
So guys, a huge sale is going on in Ajio. So I have grabbed some collections like maxi dresses, flared frocks, kind of things. So from 21st to 30th of June, this offer is going on. So don't miss the opportunity, guys. The sale time is the best time to grab the collection. So don't miss it out. So go and grab your favorites. So without wasting the time, let's begin. Let's talk about this beautiful frock from the brand called Rare, guys. This is so beautiful frock. This material, the fabric is polycrepe and easy to wear, guys, and so comfortable. They have given a detailing by giving this tie at the neck and this frill design and they have given the elastic also at the neck region, which is superb, guys. And the waist is also having the elastic, which is super, guys. To elevate the style, you can wear a belt like this. I have wear this extra belt. This is not the belt which I got along with the frock. This is the extra one. You can style as you want. Way we style is the thing how we can carry ourselves outside. So I like to style it up by adding some belts, some chunky chains like that. So for this I have wear a simple chain and earrings and a minimal jewelries I have styled up, guys, and I have wear a pair of sandals, flat sandals also. So that's it about this frock, guys. This frock I brought for rupees 675 rupees. I think now this frock is out of stock. Keep in wish list, so whenever the stock comes you can grab it. It is like a floral print frock which is so beautiful, comes in black color. This is from the brand called Fashion to Wear, which is so nice, guys. I loved it. The hand comes with this flared kind of design which is so beautiful to wear, and this bottom also come with this kind of design, flared design has been given. So this comes in full length. I loved it. This comes in gorgeous material. Then the hand they have detailed with this flared design and simple U-neck they have given. At the bottom also they have given this flared design which is so nice. And I love this, guys. I bought this for just 625 rupees, which is awesome, guys. And for 625 rupees, this is a top-notch deal. And don't miss out to buy this. This beautiful frock is also from the brand called Fashion to Wear. This is in black and white print, which is so beautiful. I love the print, guys. And this is also gorgeous materials. This comes with elasticated box neck, and the sleeves 3/4 sleeve they have given, and they have given the elastic at the end, and bottom they have not given any detailing, but at the hip they have given the elastic, so it will make you feel comfort while wearing. So yeah, guys, that's it. And all the frock which I have shown, they have lining inside, but also you can wear slip inside while wearing this or styling this. All these frocks you can style with a oxidized beautiful earring, just silver oxidized jewelers or any gold jewelers as I'm wearing now, which will help to elevate your styles, guys. The beautiful pairs of sandals and bracelets, that kind of things, you will be good to go. So next one is a beautiful frock from the brand called Fig, guys, which is so beautiful. This comes with sleeveless hand and there is a back tie, which is so good that we can tie according to our hip size. So yeah, they have not given much detailing, nothing for this, but this is a beautiful and comfortable frock, guys. I loved it like anything. This also I brought in the size S only. Also gorgeous material which is so nice and comfortable and easy to carry for your daily wears or office wear, anything like that. So yeah, that's it about this, and I bought this for just rupees 742 rupees. Next one is this beautiful frock from the brand called Kerry Perry, which is so beautiful, guys. At the front, at this chest area, they have given detailing by giving the elastic here. So that is very comfortable, like it is stretchable also. So I bought this in the size yes for rupees 624 rupees. This is also sleeveless and this comes 3/4 length, not full length. So you can wear this for college as well as for the office also. And this is also the fabric is gorget, which is so comfortable to wear, and I loved it. Frock is this beautiful pink flared frock, guys. This is so beautiful. I loved it. This comes in polyester materials from the brand called Sheetal Associates, and this has full sleeves. At the bottom it has a bell kind of design, and the sleeves are full, and this length is also full, guys, and there is a tying here like a wrap kind of things is there, and at this side, right side, there is a zip also. This is so nice to wear, guys, because as this is a polyester material, it is so comfortable to wear also. I bought this in the size yes. All the frocks I brought in the size yes according to my size chart, and I bought this for rupees 748 rupees, guys. I don't know now at the present what is the price. Please do check if you like this, and if you also want to buy this kind of frocks, you love my recommendation, please do comment below, so I'll be so happy to know. That is also from Kerry Perry in pink floral print design. This is so beautiful, guys. They have step-by-step design. At the hand also they have given this kind of flare design. Every frock which I've shown today has an inner lining which is so beautiful, and this comes in 3/4 length with this elastic at the end, and this is also having the design at the front. Sorry, I'm showing the back. Front there is an elastic design as I've shown in the previous one, which is so comfort to wear that easily it is stretchable and you can easily adjust according to your size. So that's it, guys. This I bought for 678 rupees. This also comes in 3/4 length, not till your knee, below the knee. So this is also you can use on daily wears, like for office, college, anywhere nearby you want to go. And if you style accordingly, you can wear for even parties also. So that's it for today, guys. I have shown nearly 7 flared or mini dresses, which is awesome to wear for office or college. So if you also like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So if you want this kind of recommended videos of any kinds, please do comment below, so I'll be happy to know that and show in front of you. Until next time, see you later. Bye bye.